This is Mautas and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view. In normal, we can see that every drawing has top view, front view, and right side view. But in this drawing, we have the isometric view, and all the dimensions are in the isometric view. So I will start from drawing from the top view. In the top view, if we see this dimension line, you can see this dimension line indicate this rectangle. So first of all, in the top plane, I will draw this rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 84 by 50 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 10 unit. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle. Place the center rectangle here, and now dimension it. Now dimension it to 50 by 84 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss is to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now in our drawing, I will draw this rectangular shape. In this rectangular shape, it has a dimension of 16 by 50 unit, and from this top plane, it has a vertical distance of 56 unit. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Place the corner rectangle here. Now dimension it. Now dimension it to 50 by 16 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss is to 56 unit. Now press OK. Now I will draw this rectangular shape here. For drawing this rectangular shape, first of all, from this front face, I will draw a reference plane in here, and this reference plane has a distance of 20 unit. And from that reference plane, I will draw a sketch. This inclined line, and from this inclined line, I use the reef features to draw this reef format. And this reef feature has a unit of 50 minus 20 minus 20, so that is 10 unit. So let me demonstrate. Select this face. Now go to reference. Now select plane. Now set the dimension to 20. Now select the flip offset. Now press OK. After that, select this plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a line and place a line like this one. In this case, we can see this inclined point in here joined to this line, but in here it has a distance of 13 unit here. So I will dimension it to 13 unit. So select smart dimension. Now select this point as this vertical line and dimension it to 13 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now select OK. Now go to features and now select this rev option. And from this rev option, select the second side. Now dimension it to 10 unit. You can also dimension manually like 50 minus 20 minus 20. So it will be automatically the 10 unit. Now press OK. Now you can hide this plane. Now in here, we will draw this right side portion. In the right side portion, we have a circular face, and this circular face has a radius of 19. So first of all, I will draw a radius 19 circle, and from this circle, from this point, I will draw a tangent line. Then I will close this shape. For dimensioning this circular shape, it has a horizontal distance of 70 unit, but it has a vertical distance of 54 minus 19 because if we dimension a circle, the dimension has been taken from the center point. Then I will draw the inner extrude cut cycle, and this inner extrude cut cycle has a dimension of diameter 19. After that, I will extrude boss it, and it has a extrude boss of 13 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and place a circle here. and draw a circle of 19 radius. Now select smart dimension. Now select this circle and this vertical line and dimension it to 17 unit. And again select the circle and select this horizontal line and now dimension it to 54 minus 19 unit. Now press OK. Now select a line and place this line to this point and now draw a tangent line. After that select line tools again. Now close the boundary. Here the vertical distance will be 54. Then we will have a horizontal distance of 70 unit. Okay. Then I will draw the inner Stuttgart circle, and this inner Stuttgart circle has a dimension of 19 diameter. Now press OK. Now you can select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part. So I trim this part. Now press OK. It is over dimension, so we need to delete one of the dimensions. So delete one of the 70 unit dimension. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss is to 13 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.